So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I'm gonna be making something holiday like using stuff from the dollar stores. So my daughter wanted me to create one of these little villages. So I went to the dollar store and I found the little miniatures set, the cobblestone miniature set thing. They have a whole bunch of them. You can find them online. If you're in the US, you can buy like the whole set for like $13. Or you can get, in Canada, you can get them singles for $1.25 each. They have Christmas trees and Santa Clauses. I took them all out of the container, out of the packaging, sorry. And they all have these little pieces. And they're so pretty, honestly. They're so cute. This was the last one. I couldn't find that one, but I got that yesterday. So she wanted to create something like that, so I went ahead and got all these pieces from the Dollatree. They even have these houses, which I already went ahead and I painted the top white, added a little bit of glitter and a little bit of glaze from this tube confetti set from the Dollatree. So yeah, so they have this little house which is really cute. They don't have lights in them. You can go ahead and put lights in them, which I'm gonna do, but you don't have to. So there's a bakery already. I went ahead and painted the bakery as well, which I just painted at that. I didn't want any really like a lot of color in there, but she wanted to keep the color, so that's fine. There's also a little church. It's so cute. I love them so much. I feel they're so pretty. And there's a post office. So you guys, I will be using that in the video. I also got snow drape from the Dollarama, $2, which I will be using in here. And I got some silver wire LED. I am also going to be using a bunch of these lights. These are the lights from eFavormart, and they will be used in these little houses. So another thing that I will be using are these little trains. I painted them white. These are this little trains set that you get for the kids. These are Thomas and Friends trains. My daughter hates these trains now. She has a whole bunch of them. She hates them. So I took a couple of them and I just painted them in white. Look at this one, it's so cute. I painted them in white and added a little bit of glitter on them. You know, sometimes when you look at snow, it's a little bit shimmery. So this is what I wanted to do. I am also using some of these dowels from Walmart. And of course, hot glue and glue gun. And yeah, so let me tell you guys about this. This is I don't know what it is. I don't know how you call it, but I call it a sphere. I got this from the Dollarama here maybe like 3 months ago or something like that, and I didn't really know what to do with it yet. I just liked the way it looks like this, and you know, I like the way this one. I tried taking this one out because I wanted it to be a little bit wider so I can put everybody in there, but it couldn't come off. So I went ahead and I painted it white, and this is what I'm going to be using to put everybody on here. So I'm going to be having my village up here and probably going to have a couple of houses down here. So let's just get right into the video.
eternity later.
So guys, this is the little top of it. I'm just gonna do the bottom. You guys, I will be also placing this on top of a lazy Susan that I've always had. So it's easy to just spin it around and enjoy it. So I will be hot gluing that to the middle here, or maybe a little bit to the back like so, so that I can go ahead and place some stuff down here. So this is what I mean, you guys. Oh god, I got glue on my fingers. It's so hot.
It's okay, Mom. You can just do it.
Okay. Thank you, Maya. So I'm gonna place the bakery.
Oh, you love that one.
You love it?
Yeah, that's
Your favorite?
my favorite. Don't take it yet. My favorite.
So I'm gonna put the bakery over here at the back. Here. There you go, guys. This is what it looks like. It's completely done. I love it. I hope you guys like it too. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Here's my train tracks. It's so cool. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and click that subscribe button so you can get notified when I upload a new video. And I'd like to thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Comment down below what you'd like to see next, if you'd like to see any holiday decor. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye.